Found a DHP file from old Dr. Halo graphics software? These are bitmap image files from a vintage paint program. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Dr. Halo 2.3 bitmap files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful DHP file inspection tool. DHP files are bitmap image files created by Dr. Halo 2 and Dr. Halo III. Paint programs from the 1980s. These were among the early commercial graphics applications for IBM PC systems, used for creating digital artwork, business graphics, and presentations during the early days of personal computer graphics. DHP files use Dr. Halo's proprietary format, storing bitmap image data with palette information, image dimensions, and basic metadata. The format follows early PC graphics conventions with limited color depth, typically supporting 16 or 256 color images using index color palettes characteristic of period graphics applications. Media Cybernetics defined Dr. Halo III paint program as the application primarily intended for DHP. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows can show these files in its default viewers, but professional adjustments require imaging software. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your DHP file and click Open With. Test with Dr. Halo III paint program if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If you still can't open the DHP file, it's okay. The error is a consequence of the DHP format's specific requirements. Here is a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, converting with image tools. Use vintage image conversion tools like ImageMagick, Graphics Magic, or specialized retro graphics utilities to convert DHP files to modern formats. Run convertimage.dhp image.png with ImageMagick if it includes Dr. Halo support to extract image data into widely compatible PNG format. Next, opening in XnView. Try opening DHP files in XnView MP, which supports many vintage and obscure image formats. The application's broad format library may successfully decode Dr. Halo bitmap files, enabling viewing and conversion to modern formats, without requiring vintage Dr. Halo software installation. Finally, inspecting file contents. Open DHP files in HXD hex editor to inspect file headers and identify the specific Dr. Halo version. Manual extraction of image data may be possible for those familiar with the format specification, enabling recovery of historical graphics from vintage computing artifacts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.